Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Fortnite on Realme 11 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open our browser. In this case, I'll be using Google Chrome. And here in our search engine, we want to find Fortnite. Here, let's install this app. When it's ready, you will see this open sign. Click on it and change the Chrome settings or your browser settings to allow it to install apps from unknown sources. So we're gonna install Epic Game Store. As you may have noticed, it's not a Fortnite, but inside we'll be able to find this game and then either launch it or download it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.